welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. I'm Thomas, and today we're going to be unboxing this. It's the Yamaha XV1000 Virago motorcycle in 1/12 scale by Tamiya. Now, I know what you may be thinking, and yes, this is the first motorcycle kit I've ever attempted, unless you count the German Kettenkraftrad, which I don't. Also the first 1/12 kit I'll have ever attempted, so this is really interesting. I bought this from Hobbycraft, which is a kind of craft chain store here in the UK. It was a pretty good price and I like the look of it, so I thought I'd pick it up. And yeah, I'm up for a bit of a challenge. See what's inside. Right there with tyres, instructions, decals and clear sprue, black sprue and a grey sprue, very large chrome sprue, tech tips, and another instruction manual. Now when I opened this, I looked at this and I thought, hang on, that's all in Japanese. And when I opened it up, I saw that this is all in Japanese as well. Not even the paint codes are in English or German or French. So I went on to Scalemates and I found the instructions and printed them off. But then, when I just had a look in the box, I found that there are the English instructions. And German, I should say. There's no French instructions here. So yeah, I've now got 2 copies of the English instructions. But yeah, I will say that if you are ever in need of instructions, going to a website like Scalemates, I know that Spot Model have some instructions on there as well. Also, you can go to websites like Revell, have their own instruction database on there. So all of those things are really good ideas. So we'll start with this one here. So this is the smallest of the main sprues. You can see we've got engine parts here. There's the disc brakes. I think those might be part of the brakes as well, not sure. They've got the wheels. The front wheel is the larger of the two. But yeah, very nice and crisp there. I believe this was tooled in the mid-80s. But yeah, all looks very nice. Then we've got this black sprue here. So we've got these seat parts. I think this is like the with the Yamaha logo. I think that might be a fuel tank. More seat parts here. I think that's the electrical cover part. We've got some brakes and parts of the handlebars, parts of the frame. Don't know as much about motorbikes as I do about cars. So if I get things wrong, please do tell me. We've got the extensive chrome sprue, very shiny. As you can see, more parts of the engine here. There's the sort of handlebars. I think this is part of the exhaust here. Hopefully you can see what I'm looking at here. We've got the fenders. I think these are the indicators down here. There's mirrors as well. Flip it over, you can see it's not as shiny on this side. Here we've got the small clear sprues. This has got the main headlight at the front, and then I think these are indicators, and then you've got a brake light at the back, all very nicely moulded. Not really any flash that I can see. And good. Then we've got a very small decal sheet, so it's nice sort of gold pinstriping. Then we've got 1000, which I guess would be 1000cc engine. Got the dials here, got a kind of information plaque, and then you've got 2 options for the number plates if you've either got just the Yamaha logo, or this one here, which I believe is an American one, probably from New Jersey, from the NJ. Might be able to tell me that in the comments down below. But yeah, copyright 1985, Tamiya. Of course, we've got the tyres. These are in their own bags. Scissors for these. Now, it's not just the tyres in here. So we do have these tyres, very large. This is for the front wheel. They actually do have Bridgestone moulded in. You can see there, nice tread pattern as well. And then we've got the much fatter rear tyre, very solid. And we've got this cable here, which I believe is for things like the brake lines. We've got some screws. I'm not going to take these out of the bag, but these are for fitting the wheels on, handlebars, other things like that. And then something new for me is that this kit has actually got real metal springs for the rear suspension, which is a really nice feature. Great. Different. Something I've not done before, but I'm looking forward to it. Thanks a lot for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.